In this video, we're going to show how to install Google Fonts onto a Mac OS. So welcome to Mac Mingle. And we begin in this process by going to Google and going to fonts.google.com. And once we're there, we can type in the font that we want. Google offers a wide range of fonts. I'm looking for Merriweather. Earlier, I installed Laura. So let's do Merriweather Sans. And it pops up and it shows you the script right there. And I select download, and the download process starts. So I've got a little bit of a slow connection, but here it is. There it's connected, and the file's downloaded. Now go up to that download button, find the Laura Merriweather, and open the location. Oh, it's off screen. Let me just drag it on the screen so you can see what I'm clicking. There on the show location button, click that, and then let's move it back. It opened off screen, so I'll bring that back in. And here it is. This is what pops up. I'm going to pick Laura Merriweather Sans, click that open, and you can see Merriweather Sans right there. I click that. Now all I have to do is double click on the font I want to install. So I'll double click that, and it installed off screen. Here it is. And that's it. That's what it takes to hit the install button to install that font onto the Mac. And that's what you do for any font you want. I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.